Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you through step-by-step process of installing the Kali Linux and the VirtualBox. In Kali Linux is the popular distribution for the penetration testing and ethical hacking. So let's get started. First, make sure you have VirtualBox installed in the system. If you're not, head over to install the VirtualBox website and download the latest version suitable for your operations. Once you have VirtualBox installed, let's proceed with the installation of the Kali Linux. Uh, first we have to go to Kali Linux org. You can go to Kali Linux or you can try to go. It will redirect to the particular website. It will be redirecting the particular website. So you need to select for VirtualBox. I'm selecting VirtualBox only. And you need to select this VirtualBox. I'm already downloaded. I'm already downloaded. I'm pasted here. You need to unzip the file. You have to unzip. First, you need to go to. You have to open for VirtualBox. I'm already open. Nothing you have to do. Just click that. It will take little bit. Okay, it's came. Here you can see you can get the user ID and password as well. Just click the start. The VM should be start automatically. You nothing to do anything. Now it started. It's very simple. It will not take more than 5 to 10 minutes. It will be first you want to go to full screen. Click full screen. Okay, I'm taking the full screen. It's happening. First you here almost completed. Kali, Kali. Yes, I'm getting full screen, and you have successfully installed the Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So you can now explore its powerful tools and features for ethical hacking and penetration testing purposes. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more tech tutorials, feel free leave any questions and comments below. Until next video, happy hacking.